GCLS Swedesboro Library, bringing you a fun STEM project. The project today is called Snow Paint. So, you know, we didn't have very much snow last year, so you'll be able to make some of your own. So I made this. So all you need for snow paint is some construction paper. I just thought of a tree, and I know trees would be hard for kids to draw, but you actually could trace their hand, and then that could be the tree trunk. Just cut out their hand and glue it onto paper, and that could be their tree. And all you need for this is, glue to glue your tree. And it doesn't have to be a tree. They can make snowmen and other things too. I just did a tree today. You need a can of shaving cream, and I love to buy a big jug of glue. It lasts me for years. You just have to keep making sure you clean off the top, keep it tight, and don't ever put leftover glue back in it, because then that'll make it moldy. So this is really nice, and then just get plastic containers like yogurt cups to mix your paint and other stuff in, and it works out really well. So I had 2 sets of directions here. I tried the first one and it seemed to work fine. It told me to use a half a cup of shaving cream. A little bit harder to measure shaving cream. My things are a little bit messy. Now you can use glitter. I didn't put any in mine. I found only gold glitter. I think silver would be prettier for snow. And then it just told me to use, so a half a cup of shaving cream with a couple of tablespoons of glue. So I used 2 tablespoons. It's a little bit messy, so I also put wax paper underneath my work to make it a little bit less messy. And just stir it up. That's my paintbrush. And it comes out a little bit consistency like that. And then you just paint. It kind of looks like snow. Make sure your kids know it's shaving cream so they don't eat it. And you can, what I like about this too, see it's puffy, so you can leave it like a big puff where it stands out, or you can make it be a little bit more, a little bit flatter. And then I was just making it look like how snow falls on the trees. So I just put some globs like that. I can make a little bit of snow. Just glob it on like that. Make some snow on the bottom. And snow is always messy looking and all over the place, so there's no right way. And the kids can just have fun. And of course, some kids will love the smell of shaving cream, so that'll be a plus. And you can feel it, that it made it kind of like a very thick paint. So there you go. So have fun. Make some snow paint, especially if we don't get any snow this winter. All right, see you soon. Bye.